doesn't matter. Whatever happened, happened. Yeah, it happened. Now you decided for yourself that whether you want to just cry about that, just complain about it, and just tell yourself that, oh, things didn't went as planned. I planned this for 2024. I wanted to achieve my goals in 2024, but didn't happen, or I didn't do it because of XYZ reasons, and I'm not good enough, or anything like this. Or you just decided for yourself and tell yourself that, you know what, it's fine. It's completely fine because I'm not going to repeat the mistakes which I did in the first 6 months, and I won't repeat it in the coming 6 months, and I will achieve my goals in the 6 months of 2024. It's a clear choice. You decided for yourself that what is your choice, whether you want to just waste this upcoming 6 months and then regret about it after 2024 ends. It's a clear choice. You choose it for yourself. In today's video, I have talked about things which will ultimately help you to achieve your goals in 2024 in the remaining 6 months. And not only that, but in this video, due to this, you will be actually more productive in your life. And also at the end of this video, I have given all of you an advice which is going to help you a lot. So stay tuned, and I hope that all of you will enjoy this video. The first step is to clear your minds. Guys, clear all the negative thoughts from your mind. Clear all the negative influence of people on you since a very long time. Clear all the thoughts which tells you that I'm not capable enough, or I'm not worthy, I will not be able to achieve anything in my life. And these thoughts can be related to anything. It might be related to a relationship, it might be related to your career. Clear all of these things. Once you will clear all of these things, once you will remove that junk and distractions from your mind, you'll actually be able to think more freshly. And not only freshly, but you would be able to think more positively. You would actually increase your productivity in your life. And not only this, but you will have a new approach towards looking up to things. You look up to your goals in a new way, through a new approach, and you will be actually able to implement it, and you will actually be able to achieve it. What's more nice than this? So it's very important. Please clear your minds. The step number 2 is to set goals for yourself. Everyone set goals, but everyone doesn't achieve their goals. You know why? One, because many people set very unrealistic goals for yourself, which seems very hard to achieve. So how you are going to achieve it? For example, you set a goal for yourself that you are going to run a marathon without any training. You set a goal for yourself that you are going to learn a new language and get fluent at it in 1 month. I'm not saying that it's wrong, but it's a very unrealistic thing to set for yourself, because your mind itself will tell yourself that it's not possible. You set a goal for yourself that you're going to be the CEO of a company without any training, without any knowledge. How? When you will set this to yourself, when you will try to implement it, आप उसी time आपका mind आपको बताएगा it's not going to happen, because it's a very unrealistic thing. The second reason is that we do not have a strong purpose or a strong motive behind our goal. Like, just think about it. For example, if you want to start a YouTube channel and somebody asks you that why you want to start that YouTube channel, and you tell them that, yeah, I want to be famous and I want to earn money, that's the reason. Is it enough? So if you think that it's enough, then think about the time where you will feel like giving up, where you would be at a stage where you're thinking that, no, I don't want to continue on this YouTube channel. At that time, would that purpose or would that motive will be enough to stop you from giving up? Will that reason will stop you that, no, don't give up? Will that reason stop you? No. On the other hand, think about that your motive and your purpose of starting a YouTube channel is that you want to help people out there. You want to spread positivity, you want to educate, and this stuff. You want to share your stories through which people are getting motivated. Now think about the same time where you felt like giving up. Will this reason allow you to give up? No. Because even if you will feel like giving up, your mind will have that sense of purpose. Your mind will have that reason of not giving up. So that is why 99% of times we set goals for ourselves, but we are not able to achieve it. Now you understand why. Because we do not have a strong intention, or we do not have a strong purpose behind it. Guys, always remember, whenever you are setting a goal for yourself, the first reason which I told you, that it's very important to set realistic goal, and the second reason, to have that strong purpose and a strong reason so that you can be a strong pillar and you won't give up on your goals. I want all of you to keep this thing in mind whenever you are trying to set a goal for yourself. So it consists of two parts. In the first part, I want all of you to set a big monthly goal. So for example, your monthly goal is to read a complete book. So that's your monthly goal. And in the second part, now I want all of you to divide that big goal into smaller chunks. So for example, give each day 20 to 30 minutes towards reading that book. For example, your monthly goal is to upload 4 videos. So what your smaller goals will look like? Like then you can give each day in that particular week, you can give 1 day towards editing, 1 day towards shooting, 1 day towards uploading. So, this is a more easier way to set goals and to achieve it. And फिर वो जो problem हमें पहले हो रही थी कि जिसके वजह से हमें वो unrealisticness दिख रहा था, वो हमें नहीं दिखेगा. And it would be actually more a convenient way towards achieving our goals. And also one thing which I would like to tell you all is that always keep a track on your process. जो भी आप गोल्स कर रहे हो, जो भी आप अचीव कर रहे हो, जो भी आपके दिन के गोल्स होते हैं जिसे आप अचीव कर रहे हो, तो आई वांट कि आप उसका एक जर्नल बनाओ. लाइक जर्नल इट, लाइक मेक अ नोट ऑफ इट कि कितने टास्क उसमें से खत्म हुए, कितने टास्क में नहीं कर पाए. लाइक मेक अ जर्नल अबाउट इट. आपको फिर बहुत चीजें इसमें से समझ आती है. एंड ऑल्सो वन थिंग इज दैट जब भी आप दिन में कंप्लीटली प्रोडक्टिव हो, आप आपके प्रॉपर टास्क सब कर रहे हो, मेक अ विन अबाउट इट. लाइक ट्रीट योर सेल्फ, like maybe watch a movie at night or do anything which you love. So it will actually give you that relief, and it will actually keep you motivated towards the next day, towards your next goals. The third and the last step for this video is to create a mindset. Guys, the mindset which I'm going to talk about, I promise, is the only one mindset which you need in your life. And it will actually help you to achieve that goals in 2024. And that mindset is to have a control on your actions. Ask yourself questions about the actions which you're gonna do, about the things which you're gonna do. For example, you want to go to gym like daily, and you find it very difficult to wake up in the morning. You're not a morning person. Guys, at that time, ask question to yourself that if I'll continue laying on bed, how will I feel after waking up? How am I gonna feel? And at the same time, ask a question to yourself, if I would wake up right now, I will go to the gym, and after completing it, how will I feel? What would be the consequence of it? Think about the consequence. Just imagine how amazing you'll feel, how productive, how healthy, how good you will feel about yourself. That is why it's very important to ask yourself the questions about the consequences, about the actions which you're gonna do. Always ask it, guys. It's a game changer. I promise. It's the only one mindset. It's a game changer, and you will be actually be very happy to see the results after implementing this mindset. And also, one thing which I have noticed a lot is that, like, always people tell me that, you know, जब भी हम कुछ चीज करना चाहते हैं तो वो बहुत हार्ड है हमारे लिए. जैसे कोई गुड हैबिट अगर हमें वो इनबिल्ड करनी है, वो हमारे लिए बहुत हार्ड हो जाता है. Guys, one thing for this I would like to tell you all is that it is going to make you happy. It is going to make you feel good about yourself. So keep this mindset which I have talked about, and it will actually, you know, when you'll implement it, it will actually give you that pleasure. It will actually make you feel good about yourself. And जो pain है ना, I feel like जो वो starting में होता है, but when you keep on doing it, you realize it very fastly. So don't worry. And same goes for a bad habit. Guys, make a pin about this thing. कोई चीज है, जैसे for example, there are many people who daily smoke, who continuously consume alcohol, who have many other bad habits. Guys, for them, I would like to tell you that जो आपको चीज अच्छी लग रही है ना, वो बहुत इनिशियल लेवल पे अच्छी लगती है. आप अगर वो चीजें कंटिन्यू करते जाओगे तो जो वो प्लेजर है, जो आपको जो अच्छा लग रहा है, वो आपका पेन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड, इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग इट हार्ड टू इम्प्लीमेंट अ गुड हैबिट, तो वो स्टार्टिंग में पेन होगा, आई एग्री, बट धीरे धीरे इट्स, you know, it's gonna make you feel good about it, and it's a good thing to do. So always have a check, always have, or always ask yourself the questions about your actions, and always think about that consequence. It will help you a lot. Guys, I have one great advice for you. Just hear me out, and I know that you need to hear this. So see, there are a lot of people who have a lot of dreams in their life, but at the same time, they do not want to work towards it. And on the other hand, here you are. You're a person who has a lot of things to do in your life, who have great dreams for yourself, who have a lot of goals to achieve, who wants to start their own business or wants to do a job in their dream company. And one day you are doing your own work, and your friend gives you a call, and they say like, oh, here is this party, you need to come, this and that. And suddenly you have that FOMO in you. And in our generation, this happens a lot. We always have that FOMO feeling कि यार जाना है यार. But guys, tell me one thing, explain this to me, that अगर आपके ड्रीम्स, अगर आपके गोल्स, आपके लाइफ के प्रिंसिपल्स, हर एक चीज अगर उन 99% ऑफ पीपल से अलग है, तो आप उनके जैसा लाइफस्टाइल क्यों जियोगे? Tell me one thing. And if this, like your dreams and their dreams, do not match, then what's the point of living the same life which they are living? Explain this to me. So you need to be in that 1% people where, you know what, yes, it's hard, and I know guys, it's very hard. I'm not gonna lie, it's very hard. होता है ना, बोलना easy होता है, करना hard होता है, this and that. But guys, यही तो मजा है, right? Like, think about the time when you'll finally achieve it. Think about it. Like, you know what, that feeling that yes, I did it. And that's about it. Yeah, I hope that you will implement this thing in your life, and you'll enjoy it a lot. That was it for this video, you guys. I hope that all of you have enjoyed this video. All of you have learned a lot from this video. And I also hope that now on you won't complain that I was not able to achieve this goals. No, no more complaints, okay? And don't worry, you're not alone in this. I'm always here with all of you guys. So yeah, all the very best to achieve your goals, guys. And yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.